Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this 4G LTE wireless SIM card router from AliExpress. Discount code with link down below in the description for more information and where you can buy it. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. User manual. We have an Ethernet cable, 1 meter the length. UTP Cat5e. The base, the power adapter with a cable length 1 meter, 12 volt 1 amp, and the SIM card router. The base goes here. The antennas, adjustable antennas for the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz. At the back we have the connection for the Ethernet cable, the power adapter, the reset button here, micro USB connection. Remove this cover and here you can install the SIM card. You need a micro SIM card, not nano SIM card. I have a nano SIM card and I will use this adapter. Perfect. There it is, so easy to install. And you can cover again the SIM card slot. At the front we have the power LED indicator, the network indicator, Wi-Fi and the signal. Now let's plug it in and start the setup. Power LED indicator. Wi-Fi it is on and the signal is flashing slowly and the network, that means we have internet. So go to your Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone and choose the 4G CPE network. Enter the password, default it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connect and connect it. I can see we have a Wi-Fi 6. Okay. Now go to your browser at this address. Password it is admin. You can choose other languages and connect it. It is so easy to do the setup from your smartphone. Now I will connect my PC through this Wi-Fi and show you all the settings that you can manage from this interface. Home, we can see the provider, LTE, modify login password, logout. You can choose other languages, signal strength, wireless broadband connection status, number of users, connection settings. You can modify all this. Network selection, automatic manual, the same in here you can modify. APN, the provider, mode, auto or manual. Home again. You can turn off the device, disconnect, turn off the Wi-Fi, current connection, WLAN status, statistics. I am connected through the Wi-Fi, MAC address, you can block, data management, enable, disable, data type, data or time. When reach it and apply. SMS, new, you can send an SMS, delete, refresh, SIM card, settings, current number, the provider, delivery port, enable, disable, USSD, settings, quick settings, auto or manual, you can adjust, next. Network name, you can adjust the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. You have only 2.4 GHz, no 5 GHz. Enable, disable, choose the security mode, adjust the password, and apply. Advanced settings, power save, short, medium, long Wi-Fi coverage, router, IP address, subnet mask, DHCP server, IP pool, lease time, firewall, port filtering, enable or disable, port mapping, enable, disable, port forwarding, enable, disable, UPnP the same, DMZ the same, connection settings, already show you that, Wi-Fi settings, SSID, you can rename the Wi-Fi network, you have only one network, 2.4 GHz, Wi-Fi switch, disable, enable, SSID, security mode again, change the password, max station number 32, internet Wi-Fi, enable, disable, advanced settings, 2.4 GHz only, channel bandwidth, country region code, frequency channel, WLAN MAC filter, system, device information, others, restart device, reset factory settings, pin management. Let's go again at the Wi-Fi settings, SSID, and I will rename the Wi-Fi network to connect some of my devices and apply. Yes. And here we are. Now if you want to rename the Wi-Fi network and the password from this router, connect the router to your PC or laptop through the Ethernet cable and then adjust all these settings. And now statistics. Here we have all these devices connected. Total 32 devices, smart plugs, lights and more. You can block, rename, don't connect 4K cameras, 2K cameras, definitely it cannot handle so much load. And home, number of users 32. Now I am connected through the Ethernet cable. So let's run some tests and see the Ethernet speed. The 4G wireless router with SIM card is the ideal solution for providing internet connectivity at home, in the office and on the move. Equipped with 4G LTE capabilities, this router provides average internet access even in areas without traditional broadband connections. It is a versatile and reliable option for those seeking flexible and portable internet solutions. Whether for everyday use at home or as a travel companion, it offers convenience in a compact package. And that's the 4G wireless router with SIM card compatibility. With reliable connectivity, easy setup and portability, it's a good choice for router for accessing the internet on the move and working remotely. From AliExpress, you can find the link down below at the description. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech reviews, connectivity tips and product comparisons. Thanks for watching and as always, stay connected, stay informed and I'll see you in the next video.